What if you could make $5,000 a month without followers, a big brand, or experience? That's exactly what people in the US are doing with high-ticket digital marketing. Small businesses need leads, content, and ads, but most owners don't know how to do any of it. You step in, offer results-based services, and charge $1,000 to $5,000 per client. Services like short-form content, lead generation, AI email marketing, Facebook/Google ads, just 4 clients at $1,250 hits $5,000 per month. Step 1. Pick one service. Step 2. Pick one niche. Realtors, dentists, gyms, med spas, roofers. Step 3. Send simple outreach daily. I help businesses get more leads with short-form content. Want a free audit? Your first goal isn't a logo, it's results. Get one client, get them a win, then scale. If you want more videos on digital marketing and online income, subscribe and start building your $5,000 per month invisible agency today.